Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make Waffle House cheese eggs. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 slice of American cheese, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You'll also need a small bowl, a whisk, and a non-stick skillet. We'll start by cracking the eggs into the bowl and whisking them until they are light and fluffy, about 30 seconds. Once your eggs are whisked, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Make sure the butter coats the entire bottom of the pan. Now, pour the whisked eggs into the hot skillet. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to begin setting around the edges. This initial set is crucial for the texture. After about 30 seconds, when the edges start to set, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Now, place 1 slice of American cheese directly onto the partially cooked eggs. Continue to gently fold the eggs over the cheese, allowing it to melt into the warm eggs. This creates that signature creamy texture. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until the cheese is fully melted and the eggs are cooked to your desired consistency. Waffle House cheese eggs are typically soft and fluffy, not browned. Once they reach this perfect stage, carefully slide them onto a plate. Serve your delicious, homemade Waffle House-style cheese eggs immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.